Take a moment. Close your eyes and just listen. Can you hear it? The voice inside your mind, the one that never stops talking. It's always there guiding you, questioning you, sometimes lifting you up, and sometimes pulling you down. That voice has a powerful influence on how you see the world and yourself. The Stoics understood this better than anyone. They believed that our thoughts shape our reality. If we don't take control of that inner dialogue, it controls us. But here's the thing, you have the power to change it. You have the ability to transform that voice from something that holds you back into something that pushes you forward. This isn't some abstract idea. This is a practical, everyday skill, and over the next 3 days we'll unlock the tools to do just that. Are you ready to take the reins of your mind? Let's begin. Day 1: Awareness and Intention. All right, here's where it all starts. Today we're diving into something that might sound simple, but trust me, it's incredibly powerful. Awareness. Why? Because you can't change what you don't even notice. Think about it for a second. How often do you let your mind just run wild, like a river without a guide, flowing wherever it wants to go? You wake up and the thoughts start flooding in. I'm tired, I've got too much to do, I'm not good enough. And before you know it, your day is shaped by those automatic thoughts, but you're not even aware of where they're leading you. That voice inside your head, it's always talking. Sometimes it's motivating and empowering you to take action. Other times, it's critical, second-guessing every move you make. Sometimes it's full of doubt, casting shadows over your confidence and potential. But here's the thing, this voice isn't just chatting away for no reason. It's influencing how you feel, how you act, and even what you believe about yourself and the world. And it's happening all the time without you even realizing it. So today, I want you to bring your awareness to this inner dialogue. Your mission is simple: listen. That's it. No judgment. No trying to change anything just yet. Just pay attention to the thoughts running through your mind. Notice when your inner voice is lifting you up. When it's telling you that you're capable, strong, and ready to take on the day. Notice how you feel in those moments, how it fuels your confidence and your motivation. But also notice when the voice starts to shift, when it becomes self-critical, doubtful, or fearful, when it starts playing the same old script that holds you back. Pay attention to those moments too. They're just as important. Here's the thing, this is the beginning of your transformation. By becoming aware of your thoughts, you're taking the first step toward mastering your mind. You can't guide your thoughts if you don't first understand where they're leading you. Think of it like driving a car. If you don't know where you're headed, how can you steer it in the right direction? So today I want you to pause. Take a moment throughout the day and just check in with your thoughts. Are they empowering you? Are they bringing you down? How do they make you feel about the challenges ahead? Your goal is not to judge or fix them yet, just to observe. Awareness is the first step in taking control of your inner world. And here's the most exciting part: by simply noticing what's going on in your mind, you've already taken the first step toward transformation. Think of it like this: you've just stepped into the driver's seat of your mind. And once you know where your thoughts are headed, you're in control of where they go next. So, let's get started. This journey is about more than just quieting the noise in your head. It's about mastering your inner dialogue, and today is where it begins. The power is in your hands. Day 2, the power of self-talk. All right, by now you've started paying attention to that voice inside your head. Maybe you've already caught it slipping into familiar territory: self-doubt, worry, fear. You know the one. It's easy to fall back into those patterns, right? They feel so familiar, like an old, comfortable pair of shoes. But here's the thing, the Stoics had a powerful reminder for us: we are disturbed not by things, but by the views we take of them. What does that mean for you today? It means that the thoughts that pop up in your mind aren't the problem. It's how you respond to them that counts. So when you catch yourself thinking that you're not good enough, or that something is too hard, or that failure is inevitable, stop for a moment. Take a deep breath. Close your eyes, and remember, this is just a thought, not a fact. It's just a fleeting idea that doesn't have to control you. You have the power to change it. Now, I won't lie to you, this might feel uncomfortable at first. It's like trying to walk down a path that hasn't been cleared yet. But that's okay. This discomfort is a sign that you're growing. You're not trying to erase the old thoughts, you're simply replacing them with better, more empowering ones. The Stoics weren't just about philosophical theory, they were all about action. They believed in practicing virtue daily, and part of that practice is training our mind to see the world clearly without the fog of fear or doubt. So today, when you catch those negative thoughts creeping in, try this: replace them with affirmations of truth. For example, I am capable. I am resilient. I can handle whatever comes my way. But don't just say these words like a checklist. Feel them. Really imagine those words sinking deep into your body, changing the very rhythm of your thoughts. Let them shift the way you hold yourself, the way you move through the world today. This is the power of self-talk. It's not about pretending everything is perfect, it's about changing the conversation you're having with yourself. And with practice, this shift will start to change everything else around you. So today, be mindful of your thoughts. When the negative ones show up, you've got the tools to deal with them. And every time you redirect that inner voice towards something empowering, you're getting stronger. You've got this. Day 3, reinforcing your new reality. Welcome to the final day, you've made it. And let me tell you, if you felt discomfort along the way, you're right on track. Change isn't always easy, and if you felt a bit of resistance, that's actually a good sign. It means something powerful is happening beneath the surface. The Stoics knew this truth well. They understood that growth often comes through challenges. Marcus Aurelius, one of the greatest Stoics, said it best: the obstacle is the way. In other words, the very discomfort you're feeling right now is part of the process. It's how we break through, how we rise up. So if you felt uneasy, like you're pushing against the current, that's exactly where you need to be. Your body might still be trying to hold on to the old thoughts, the old patterns. That's okay. Your mind and body are creatures of habit, and change feels strange at first. But this resistance is just a sign that your old identity, the one built on self-doubt, fear, or limiting beliefs, is beginning to fade away. A new version of you is emerging, and that new version is powerful. Now, let's talk about what's next: consistency. You've started this journey, but now it's time to reinforce it. Every time you notice those old patterns creeping back in, those negative thoughts, that self-doubt or fear, gently bring yourself back. Don't beat yourself up. Just redirect. Every time you replace an old thought with a new one, you're building new neural pathways in your brain. You're creating a new mental blueprint. This is how real change happens. The key isn't perfection, it's persistence. This isn't about being flawless, but about staying committed. Each time you remind yourself, I am capable, I am resilient, or I can handle whatever comes my way, you're sending powerful signals to your brain. You're rewiring your mindset, reinforcing a new way of thinking, a new way of being. Soon you'll start to notice real shifts. Your mind will respond differently. You'll feel more at ease when challenges arise. Those tough situations that used to overwhelm you, you'll find yourself handling them with a new sense of calm and clarity. Your energy will shift. You'll carry yourself differently. And here's the most amazing part: as you change on the inside, your world starts to shift on the outside too. Your interactions, your opportunities, your experiences, they all begin to reflect the new reality you're creating within yourself. So stick with it. Keep reinforcing the new, positive thoughts. It may take time, but consistency is the key. Your new reality is already taking shape. Final thoughts: the power of consistent action. Remember, this transformation doesn't happen overnight. It's the result of small, consistent actions, of choosing a better thought in each moment. And with every thought, you are rebuilding your life. Change is subtle, but with persistence, it becomes undeniable. The Stoics taught us that our true power lies in our ability to control our reactions. When we take control of our inner dialogue, we take control of our destiny. You don't need to wait for the world to change, you can change yourself, and in doing so, change your world. You've already begun this journey. The steps you've taken today and the thoughts you're shaping are already making a difference. But don't stop here. Keep going. Trust that every moment is an opportunity to reinforce your new reality. Stay committed, stay patient, and let your new thoughts lead the way. If you found this journey helpful and want to continue mastering your mind and transforming your life, make sure to subscribe to Stoic Trench. We dive deeper into the principles of Stoic philosophy, mindfulness, and practical strategies for living a life of purpose and resilience. Let's keep this journey going together. See you in the next video.